stuff. Can I do this?
What's going on, Joyriders? That's what I just came up. What'd you do to the seal? What did you do to Lucille? The seal's name is Lucille. Damn it. Patrick's still looking at you. Alright. We're back. So the last one we did on the last unboxing we did was the pan crate, all the snacks and everything. If you want to check out the My Hero Academia, I ended up posting that one on Zilla Wolf in the description. This one is the Doki Doki by Japan crate. Experience Japan through everything. Kawaii. So I'm gonna crack this bad boy open. Excuse me. We are still recording these on the same day, and some of those snacks do not agree with my stomach. Nice. So this one. Doki Doki by Japan crate. All right, let's dive in here. We got. We got. Bang! It's a bag. I like this. It's got crystal candy, stars, glitter, and the constellations. What it says. That's right. Crystal candy, stars, glitter, and constellation. So that's that first item. What it was in. It's actually an item I wouldn't use. Keep it at least. My eyes are playing tricks on me. Not read. Drawn out by the spring day. Radakuma collects cherry. This is a cup. Got a little saying on it. It says Rylakuma on it, and then right here, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Kind of see that there's words there. I read it out loud though. You guys should have been able to hear. That's another one. Why did I buy this again? Oh, cool. I can actually use these. These are sponges. Sponges. Hedgehog sponges. This is Sakura. Where's the book after? I gotta find out what some of these are. Okay, so we have Sakura container. The compact container features Japan's famous seasonal cherry blossoms. Whether you're in need of a snack or want to organize your home, store your items in hedgehog kitchen sponge, and this last item. Here's the Sakura cherry blossom container. And the last item is My Melody bag. Where I'll just kind of
store everything. Why'd you put everything in that bag and then put that in the bigger bag?
Yeah, pretty much. What? And a little bit. Company?
Well, then, that.
Catch. It's all yours. Yeah,
That was 4 minutes.
that was a short one. Not gonna lie, there wasn't a lot in that one, and of course, there's some practical use to at least the sponges for me. Get cups and stuff, but I literally only got this to try it out. I saw it, and it was
That's a seal.
It's a good buy if you're into this, but I'm not really into cutesy stuff.
But hit me.
So
Off camera. So
for me,
ruin the bit.
It was all right. Definitely, if you're into this stuff, check it out. It's a cool box for people who like the sayings and the little drawings and everything. That's not my
someone who's a total weeb.
Bye, guys.